I'm ready when you are.
Okay. So the research group that's with us here is part of the Center for Exoplanets and Habitable Worlds, and right there's a number of different techniques that are being used to discover planets. But one of the more well-known ones is if you picture a star, the planet's orbiting the star will actually wobble, right? And so if you can measure very precisely the velocity of the star and detect that wobble, you know there has to be a planet that's orbiting it. So this is just demonstrating, what's on the poster and then the instruments we have here to detect that velocity very precisely. We need to get the light out of the telescope. We use an optical fiber to direct the light. When you pass that light through a grating, you're going to get an image from the star that looks a little bit like the image on that screen. You'll see the dispersed light. And so when we measure that dispersed light, we can actually detect very, very subtle shifts in that dispersed light. And if it's periodic, if it's going back and forth like that, we know there's got to be a planet orbiting that star. And so that's this instrument's in the process of being built. It'll be about a year and a half from now, and it'll be used on a telescope called the Eberly telescope. It's located in West Texas, but it's Penn State are partners, and Penn State astronomers actually designed the telescope itself. So it's a major effort of the department. There's a lot of faculty and graduate students involved, and hopefully they'll be detecting new planets, as soon as it goes on the telescope.
And for the record, could you give me your name?
Sure. My name is Palma, and I'm a faculty member, but I've got 4 graduate students with me. Right here, this is Ryan Terry.
Hi there.
Nice to meet you. I'm John Stiteler.